absolutely peeing down today and for the next 3 days. So I thought I'd tidy some gear up, put my gear away, and I'm going to move this table out the way. Here, I'm going to move this table out the way so I can get down the side and make some repair panels. There's nothing else I can do today. Right then, I've got that table out the way. Sunday afternoon, peeing down with rain. Don't know if you can tell. Just thought I'd make a start on this this repair section. So, got a bit of cardboard, pencil, tape measure to get cracking. So I've done my rough template. I'm going to go on here, roughly. I'll cut that out and make some changes. Yeah, I think that will do for now. So I will mark it out on the steel and spend the next 3 hours cutting that out. I'm going to try and curve that in there, and I think the rest will just keep solid. So that's my basic shape. I'm just going to try and flatten it out on the anvil, round off these corners here, and then I want to check up onto the car and see where I need this curve to start. Another revision. I've put that crease on there. There's the panel there. It's quite a good fit. Quite happy with that. I'll have to take it off and cut out some of the rot behind and make those panels first. Oh yeah, quite happy with that. I'll fold this edge over later. I'm not 100% certain what I'm going to do here. I might make a new inner arch, but I'll see how this goes. Right, just made the bottom of the inner wheel arch. Need a little bit more prep on there, but basically it's going to go under there. Weld it into here. Got to cut the old one off first though. Sunshine! It's been raining for 3 days straight. Now we've got some. So that's what I've done. Now I probably really should extend that bottom sill all the way along rather than having 2 different sections here and there. But the shape of the sill, it's actually the floor panel, the shape of it changes here. And I haven't really got any tools here to make a repair panel, so I'm quite happy at the moment just patching it in for now. Just, I mean, if I had a garage, I would probably take it off properly and put a new floor panel in, but I haven't got the tools to do that, and I haven't got the garage. I haven't got the time. Right, I think I'm slowly starting to get it dialed in. I find it's better, I get better welds if I just do some spot welds rather than trying to do a continuous weld. That's pretty shocking that. I'm going to grind that back and do that again. I also find it's better to make sure you've got a long lead out on here. Maybe it's 1/2 inch, maybe it's just over 1/2 inch. I'm also running at 80 amps. There's the last repair panel. Welds went a lot better on this one, just doing spot welds. If you haven't seen the quad videos, check out my other videos. I'll try and leave a link in the description. here somewhere. Yeah, good videos. Yeah, how to buy a cheap Chinese quad bike in Poland. I'm gonna try and get this sill on. So, I'm going to start sharpen the pencil. Right, so it's all on here somewhere. Why is it not fit? I think he wants to go it's about that high. Let's go about there, doesn't he? I was going to flange this panel because I bought that flanging tool, didn't I? Bought one of these, but it's rubbish. I mean, it does the spot welds alright, but the flangey bit, it's just there's not enough step on it, so I have to do it this way. I'm trying to collect all my offcuts so I can weigh them in. No, I'm just collecting them so the chickens don't knock themselves. I'm feeling them too close. Ah, balls that corner up, didn't I? Okay, so alright, wants to go like that, doesn't it? Yeah, that line's there. Why did I do that? Oh, who knows? So it's gonna go just like that. God, these panels are rubbish. That's like a square corner, and this is sort of like a vague round one. Oh God. So I was thinking about just leaving this lip of the old outer sill on, thinking it would be like a nice strong edge. I think I'll take it off. I'll do the same as what I've done on the other side. Grind those bad boys out. It's good, really. Like, I mean, I don't know if they've done this in the factory, but somebody has actually taken the time to look after the bodywork on the car. There's wax oil everywhere. I mean, I've cut most of it out, but it was here. Right, taking that all off, I'll just straighten up the areas where I've bent it a bit and clean it up with the flappy disc. So just been getting closer and closer to where I need to be. I'm going to cut this piece out. I've already notched it at the top and bottom, so I'll cut it out later because I can't be bothered getting the tyre off at the moment. So I've cut it here and I've cut it down here. I'll pull that off easier and make a new panel. Right then, I think I'm ready to start welding. I don't know what happened here. So here, I'm going to get some spot welds along here. Probably leave this area because this is probably going to get cut out and the new panel sit on top. I'm not too sure yet. But it's sitting alright. Step it down here for that. Bit annoying. And I've got a sill most of the way along. It's a shame I couldn't have got me spot hole thingy-jiggies a bit further up because they're, well, you know, that really wants to be higher up. But I've got the top flush-ish. Right then, so this welder was a little bit annoying the last time. I mean, the first time I started doing this. But I think it should be okay. I think I'll start off at 70 and ooh, sexy lady, and see how far I blast through. Right, get your safety squints on. Well, look at you. See if I can do that again. Look at you. Look at you go with the flux welder. It was shit the first time we bought it. Now it's the dog's bollocks. Ah, oh, that's absolutely spotty dog, that. That one's not so much spotty dog. Yeah, so where it's opening up, it's not welding it as good. That's when I'm going to start swearing a lot. That's pretty good there, boy. I'm not too sure how this is going to work. Got it eventually. Yeah, it's much better. It's a shame I left a gap there. It's a deliberate gap because the missus was watching. Do I want to go for gold there, do I? I don't want to just double check. I don't know. How close up there? Not quite. Oh, you know what? It's going on. It's going on. Whether you like it or not. I've got a feeling I probably should have been a little bit hotter on that one. Right then. Where next? Where next? Maybe should do something down the front end. Yeah, I would say 85 is the way to go. Certainly on the top spot welds. Right, I'm just going to crack on, get this all done, because I want to go for pizza. Now, they're pretty good spot welds, much better than the last attempt. And then, there we go. It's taking about an hour. There's a bit more to do. I'll finish that off when I do some repair panels and my wheel arch over here. But today I want to go and get a beer. Excellent. I didn't even have to test fit. That was do me.